rise of info-stealing malware is upon us. What are we going to do? Hey everyone, welcome back to Stan's Garage, bringing you everything you need to know for effective business IT management. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss this one. So go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive right in. Today, we're tackling a critical topic impacting individuals and businesses alike. Info-stealing malware. One of the worst kinds, right? Though what we discuss might seem a bit shocking, fear not, got your back with some foolproof strategies to shield your business from these cyber criminals. Now, cyber criminals are always trying to evolve their technologies to outsmart conventional security measures, right? What kind of criminals would they be otherwise? They're getting sneakier than ever, but don't worry, they'll show you some ways that you can fight back. Now, using some of this new info-stealing malware, these operations that these criminals are running are able to dodge detection by your traditional antivirus. And unfortunately, they have their sights set on sectors such as finance, healthcare, and government agencies, right? Go where the juicy targets are. Cyber criminals exploit vulnerabilities in these sectors to gain unauthorized access to valuable data, including passwords, financial information, and intellectual property. So if you belong to any of these sectors, pay extra attention now. Malware used in these operations employs sophisticated obfuscation techniques, making it difficult to identify and counteract. It calls for robust cybersecurity solutions that incorporate cutting-edge tech and threat intelligence to be able to handle. Protect against these threats, individuals and organizations need to implement a multi-layered security approach. We talk about this all the time. That includes everything from advanced firewall solutions, secure endpoint protection, regular vulnerability assessments, threat hunting, and so on. Zero trust. That's all going to help you identify and address potential weaknesses in the network. Now, how a managed IT service provider can help. An MSP can be one of your best defenses against cyber threats like this. A team like ours, we're dedicated to digital safety. Some of the ways we'll do it. We'll start by fortifying the defenses, right? And MSP will help you implement a rock-solid, multi-layered security approach. Equip your digital defenses with those advanced firewall solutions, not impenetrable, but close to next-gen antivirus, threat hunting, and managed SOC solutions. You can say goodbye to those sleepless nights because an MSP is going to have proactive monitoring and detection. An MSP has cybersecurity experts on staff that stay abreast of all this information and will use third-party 24/7 solutions like an outsourced security operations center. That way, if there's any sign of trouble, they're going to be on top of it regardless of the time of day. You're going to want to look at empowering your team and getting them trained. Cybersecurity's best defense is an empowered workforce. MSPs will typically implement security awareness training where you get micro training on what are some of the more common threats out there, including things like even getting simulated phishing. So with a strong IT security team by your side, this info-stealing malware is going to be dead in its tracks, right? But anyway, I want to emphasize on the importance of staying informed. Great security and IT partner will help do that for you. In any case, I'd love your thoughts on this. What are some of the ways your company helps combat some of these emerging cyber threats? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And I will catch you on the next one.